In this video, I am going to explain how I have created a small Python code which will help me to pick up stocks on which I have to do the fundamental analysis. Before that, the entire stock data I have downloaded from the BOW copy, NRC site BOW copy via Python code itself. I'll just show the code and I'll explain little bit, and I have uploaded the same in my GitHub repository also. What I have done here, I have given for all the month and for all the dates from the NRC site. I created the URL which will download a zip file BOW copy of that particular date, and then it will do the same for all the month, all the days, and then it will unzip the files and combine all of that into a single CSV file. And once I have the entire data for entire everyday data is available with us now. Once I have that, the simple analysis, it's nothing but I just removed other series and had only the equity series, and then I converted this the time string into the date time string, and then I selected only the stocks which consistently had consistently the price was less than 50. This is one logic which I used to pick up a good penny stock. And then I did a date filter. Currently what I have is from January 1 to May grouped together, for each stocks grouped together. And with that, I just took the difference, like from Jan 1 to May 1, what is the percentage difference? And for the stocks which has price less than 50, I got around 10 stocks which had the difference of 60%, which means January they were in a very good good value. They were maybe in 40 something, and by May it has dropped to 14, 15, like near to 20, that range. This is an opportunity for me to buy. Not all the stocks are eligible, like I am not suggesting all these stocks from this. If you do a good fundamental analysis on this 10 stocks, right, it will of course come back to the normal amount of what they have been. Like if they were 40 before lockdown, maybe they will have come back to 40, or it will go even higher. I did those analysis on these 10 stocks, and from that IDFC was the one that I picked to invest for the long time. And by the end of this 2020, it has given me around 120%